Hey, Madigan, where are we gonna go?
Allie's party.
Allie's party. Hey, Dina, I do have a couple of concerns though. Are there gonna be any hard drugs or loose women at this party?
Not that I'm aware of.
I hope there are.
It's like kind of weird.
Tell Daddy it's hot in here.
It's hot out.
Hey.
Turn the air on.
You never did take your backpack off. I can still see your purple straps.
Are you comfortable? Okay.
You have a doll in there, don't you?
My doll's comfy.
Tell Daddy, really, can you turn the air on?
The air's on.
The AC's not on.
We're waiting on Lux.
I know, she needs to hurry.
Always waiting on a woman. Why? Why are women so slow?
It's like because men are impatient.
We're impatient.
Me.
You're so big.
Oh.
Hey, sweet girl. Look at my fish.
I know. Hey, birthday girl. Look at you, Cindy Lou Who.
She's not Cindy Lou, she's Allie.
Oh, she's Allie. I thought you were Cindy Lou Who. Mercury is the closest and is the smallest one.
Sit down.
It is a rocky planet without any air.
This is the sun.
Yeah, that's the sun.
Yeah,
And this is the closest to the sun. It's called Mercury.
Mercury? What's the Mercury?
That's just the name of the planet. It's the closest and the smallest. With the sun so close by, it's very hot there.
Is that the moon?
Nope, that's Mercury. It has a rocky ground, similar to the moon, I guess. What do you think, Mad?
I don't know. Sit down.
This is Venus.
Venus?
It's filled with clouds.
I like this planet.
You do?
I like that cool planet.
You like the Neptune?
And I like this one.
You don't like the big Jupiter?
Oh, I like the big Jupiter.
You do like the big Jupiter?
I do. I like the big Jupiter too.
You know what?
You did still.
Hey, what planet do we
Sit
live?
down.
What planet do we live on, girls?
That one.
You guys both got that right. Awesome. You know what planet we live on?
Earth.
Earth. That is correct. You guys are so smart. I'm very impressed. Who's coming here?
Jacob.
Oh, it's Jacob.
No boys allowed.
No boys allowed. Well, I'm allowed, right?
And it's my room.
And it's his room.
On the car, there's a big garbage bag. Can you get it?
You got
I want to get her picture.
You got
What did you get?
Thank you, Maggie.
Hey, Allie. Give her a hug. Give her a hug. Give her a hug.
I need
Everybody's wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody's wishing me a real good time. Everybody's wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody's wishing me a real good time. A phone call, a telephone, and a telegram, and some mail. Everybody's wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody's wishing me well. Once a year, it comes around. When it comes, some people frown. But I'm happy. Everybody's wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody's wishing me a real good time. Everybody's wishing me a happy birthday. Everybody's wishing me a real good time. A phone call, a telephone, and a telegram, and some mail. Everybody's wishing me a happy
you're burning.
Daddy! That's mine. I want a balloon.
That's pretty cool.
Ow.
Mommy needs candles. What did you do with them?
I pulled one out.
No, in the house. She wants you in there right now.
We're gonna get home. I'm gonna be doing this to everything. Try to burn your beard.
Hey,
What the